is £500,000. £500,000. That's a lot for a toy, a car that doesn't even have a roof. But this is more than a toy. It's a modern take on the E-Type Jag. And the E-Type, with the possible exception of Concorde, is almost certainly the last truly great thing Britain made. I think we should be more proud of it than we actually are. Its 50th birthday was marked by a small piece on page 16 of the Daily Telegraph, and I don't think that's right, which is why I've organised something a little more substantial. I've organised something which recognises that this is the soul, the spirit, the beating heart of all that we can be. The E-Type is not a plucky Brit that's happy to come home second. It would not be humiliated by Barcelona. It would not simply wave Sebastian Vettel by. And if you asked an E-Type to organise a royal wedding, it would not ferry the guests to Westminster Abbey in a fleet of minibuses. The E-Type does not know what a minibus is. Every country has an icon. The great nation of France has the big brown pylon in the middle of Paris. Australia has a rock. The Belgians have a urinating infant. Well, this, I put it to you, is ours, our Jerusalem, our chariot of fire, the maypole around which the people of this funny little rock in the North Atlantic can gather to remind ourselves that once upon a time we really were as great as we think we are now. It won't start.